M-I-A-N.
Oh, thank you for the facts, Nana.
Anyways, and then he was telling me that I was like, why do you guys wear that?
Did you just seriously ask her, why do you wear that?
No, she's like, I didn't ask her like that, but she told me, she's like, oh, in my country, we're Muslims, and I don't know how they, what's the name of the priest? I mean the
Hindu.
What is that? Isn't that an Indian? They don't have a priest. They have, what is it?
A purse?
Priest. I mean the guy from
priest.
church.
Purse. I don't understand.
No, I'm not telling you.
Okay, I'm listening.
The guy from church.
Okay.
You've repeated that like 5 times.
Well, he asked, one guy asked him, why do girls have to wear the scarf? She has a nice scarf. Anyways, why do girls have to wear the scarf on their face? Telling them why they have to be all covered up. And he responded, when you go to the grocery store, do you buy a food that is open, or do you buy the one that is unwrapped? Which one do you buy, Amy?
Obviously the wrapped one.
So
Why?
apparently she's saying because they don't want to look like sluts?
Yes.
Okay, couldn't you just fucking say that?
Look, a green buggy!
No buggy.
Blue buggy!
I'm not playing either.
Look at another one now.
That's not a buggy.
Just watch when we get home.
So that was it?
Yes, because if you want the food unwrapped, that means that you want the good one. It's the same thing like the female. I'm not racist. I like them.
You're
What are you gonna be next?
What?
Black people, fucking Indian people, whatever. What's next?
I do like Indian people.
Chinese? What do you eat, dog?